For years, I've been saying to Mercedes, we don't have a high-performance Mercedes, one that like kills the supercar competition.
Here was the idea to take the real Formula One powertrain and make it street legal.
That's going to be challenging.
Wow.
Are they mad?
People have tried to do it before, and no one's ever really managed it.
My first thought was, that's ambitious. I wasn't wrong.
Project 1 is limited to 275 units. The price has been set at 2.275 million euros.
I really wanted this car as part of my collection.
It's the future.
Amazing, terrifying, brilliant, in equal measures.
A real flagship, once-in-a-lifetime type of project.
It's easy to announce a car. It's harder to deliver it.
Everything looks easy on paper, right? But when you have to do it, it becomes much more difficult.
How you marry a modern, high-tech, hybrid Formula One engine with the navigation system, the Bluetooth phone connectivity.
What about emissions?
We were innocents. We didn't know what we were getting into.
It was going to take time to get it right.
The project schedule was too optimistic.
We have a delay in our program. Please accept our apologies.
Lots of rumors were appearing in the press. Disaster.
The project was at risk.
We have all these customers waiting. Top AMG customers. Should we go back to them and say, oh, we came 3/4 of the way, but we're going to stop. This is going to get done.
This project will be a legacy for decades to come.
This is my engine from 2015.
Not my fault.
Yeah.
It's never easy, ever. You know that, right?